Jay Myers, he's a little different.
Yeah, obviously that was a tremendous play, big play, especially during that game. So, I just give all credit to him.
It was that time, and he just stepped up like he usually do, made a big play, and there's nothing to him, and he just walked off.
He's been there before, you know what I'm saying, and he does his job well. So,
Yeah, he prepares like a true professional. His routine stays the same all week long, even when you have little ups and downs like in Detroit, but he comes right back the next week and hits 5 field goals again. So he's very consistent in his approach, and it helps me and Dicko out as well.
I try and keep it all the same. You learn through different kicks, different situations, to how to prioritize that more and more. But that's the nature of being a kicker in the NFL is, you're going to be in those situations, and I love the situation, so it's fun.